Every year we file our taxes and we get excited by the prospect of a decent return. Whenever we file our taxes, preparers generally file just the current year's tax return. But there's a little known secret that is seldom used when it comes to tax returns. What if you could go back 10 years to search for any tax refunds that you may have missed? I am letting the secret out the bag and telling you that now you can. Every year, millions of dollars in tax refunds go unclaimed, and at PersonalBanker, we are sifting these out and making them available to you. Imagine receiving an extra $5, $10, $15, or even $20,000 in a tax refund this year. We are connected directly to the Canada Revenue Agency, so there isn't much you need to do. And it's completely free to find out if you have any unclaimed taxes. We want to help Canadians take full advantage of this opportunity, so sign up now to recover any unclaimed tax refunds due to you.